What's up guys, it's Ben from Theme Park Groupie. The most liked comment on our previous video of our top 10 coasters in Florida comes from Andres. He says, excellent, I agree with your list, great job. Great minds think alike. Thanks Andres, and if you want your comment read on our next video, the most liked comment on this one gets featured on our next. I appreciate you watching our video of Vortex at Carowinds theme park. Let us know in the comments what your favorite ride is at Carowinds, and if you want to be in a future video, take a video of yourself or with the group saying thanks for watching Theme Park Groupie. Be as creative as possible. And if you did like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe, and as always,
thanks for watching Theme Park Groupie.